Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: break statement, continue statement in Java program. Right. So break statement in Java program. So basically this statement is called jump. It is called as jump. So what is this jump? So jump means taking control of execution in program from one line to another line. So jump means taking control of execution in program from one line to another line. Okay, so one line to another line non-linearly. So non-linearly means it can jump from line 1 to line 20, line 20 to line 6. It can be forward jump or backward jump. Right, so let us start with break. Okay, so coming to break statement. So break statement is mainly used in switch case control structure. Okay, switch case control structure and looping control structures. So we'll try to use break statement in a loop. Okay, so now coming to break statement in loop, what it will do. Okay, so coming to the break statement in a loop, whenever we have break statement, it will terminate the loop then and there itself. Okay, so it terminates the loop then and there itself. So it will terminate the loop then and there itself. So this is what is break statement in a loop. Okay, right. So how it will terminate? Okay, so it will skip remaining statements of current iteration. It will skip remaining statements of current iteration and also skip remaining iterations. It will skip the remaining iterations like I++, j minus minus, etc. So it will skip remaining statements of current iteration and it will skip remaining iterations, all the remaining iterations also. Okay, and then comes out of loop. It will directly come out of the loop. So example goes like this. Let us say that you have a loop. Okay, right. So inside this loop, if we use something like break, okay, so directly it will come out of the loop to the next statement by skipping remaining statements of the current iteration. Okay, and it will also skip the remaining iterations also and then directly come out of the loop control structure. So this is what is break statement in a loop. So let us try to do this with a small program. So we'll write here as break statement example 1.java. Right. Program to demo break statement in a loop. Okay, so it will skip the current iteration remaining statements and it will also skip the all remaining iterations and then directly come out of the looping control structure. Right, so let us take a new page. So first we'll put this as a comment. So class break statement example 1. So main class with main method, public static void main string of args. Right. So let us save this program in our working directory. So let us go to d colon core Java programs folder. So break statement example 1 dot java. Right. So here let us take one small while loop and try to demonstrate this. Okay. So for while loop, I'll take loop variable as I. So initially I is equals to 1 while I less than 100. Okay, I less than or equals to 100. Okay, right. So here if I value is equals to 50. So when I value is equals to 50, I'll apply break. Otherwise, system dot out dot println, I'll print I value with I plus plus. Okay, so it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 49. When I value becomes 50. Okay, so when I value becomes 50, break. So break means directly it will come out of the loop and print system dot out dot println. Okay, end of the loop. Okay, right. So when I value is 1 to 49, it will print I and it will do I plus plus. So after I plus plus, it will check the condition. 1 less than or equals to 100, true. 2, 3, 4, so on till 49, 50. So 50 less than or equals to 100, yes. 50 is equals to 50, true. Break. End of the loop. Right. So let us try to compile and run this. Open the command prompt and go to your working directory. Compile break statement example1 dot java and run it. So it should print all the values from 1 to 49 and then end of the loop. Okay, so just for our understanding purpose, we'll take system.out.print plus we'll take a tab space. Okay, so when we take a tab space instead of new line, it will print the values in the same line by taking a tab. Okay, right. So let us save this, recompile and run. So 1 to 49. Okay, so 1 to 49 and then finally end of the loop. Okay, right. So similarly we'll try to understand how to work with, okay, continue statements. So coming to the continue statement, it is also a jump statement. Okay, so jump statement means it will take the control of execution from one line to another line, like line 5 to line 20, line 20 back to line 6 or 7 or 8, forward jump or backward jump. Okay, but this is mainly a backward jump only. Okay, so what it will do, continue statement, so it is mainly used in looping control structures only. It is mainly used in looping control structures only. So what is the use of this in looping control structure? Okay, so the use goes like this. Right. So it will skip current iteration remaining statements. It will skip current iterations remaining statements in a loop. Okay, and continue with next iteration of the loop. Okay, so it will skip current iteration remaining statements and continues with next iteration of the loop. Right, so how to use it? So let us say that you have a loop. Okay, now inside the loop we have some statements and we have continue statements. Okay, right, so when you say continue, it will skip the remaining statements. So remaining statements are skipped and directly continues with next iteration. I plus plus j minus minus should be done. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. We'll take this as continue statement example 1. Right, so instead of break statement, we'll take this as continue statement. So program to demo continue statement in a loop. So continue statement is mainly used in loops only. Right, so program to demo continue statement class continue statement example 1. Okay, right, program execution starts with main method public static void main string of args, and then we'll save this program in our working directory. Right, so save it as continue statement example1.java. Right, so let us use same while loop here to perform the continue statement. So I'll take int I is equals to I loop variable. So we'll start I with 1. Okay, right, so here I'll put one message here, system.out.println. Okay, so let us say that I want to print even numbers. Okay, all even numbers. Okay, up till a certain range. So I'll take while I less than or equals to 100. Okay, and then here I'll check if I divided by 2 remainder is equals to 1. So if I 1 divided by 2 remainder is equals to 1, true. So true means it is a odd number. So when it is odd number, what I will do? Okay, so I will say I plus plus and then continue. So continue with next statement, next iteration. So what is the next iteration? Next iteration will be 2. So 2 divided by 2 remainder is equals to 1? No. So it is an even number. If it is even number, I'll say system dot out dot println print I value with a tab space. Okay, so here we'll take system dot out dot print, and after that once again we have to say I plus plus. Okay, so for all odd numbers increment I value and continue. For all even numbers print I value I plus plus. Automatically it will go back to the loop condition checking of while loop. Right, so let us save this. Right, so compile the program, continue statement example1.java. Right, compile, no errors, and run it. So we got all the even numbers from 2 to 100. So odd numbers are skipped with continue. Okay, what if I want to print only odd numbers? Okay, let us make a small change in the program. System.out.println odd numbers. Okay, right, so here we'll change the condition if I modulo 2. Remainder is equals to 0. So if remainder is equals to 0, then it is even number. So when it is even number, I plus plus continue. Continue with the next iteration, skipping the remaining statements. Right. So if it is not equals to even number, directly it will come out of the if condition and print odd number I plus plus. Right. So recompile and rerun. So we got only odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on till 99. So this is how we are supposed to work with break continue statements in loops. So we can use this in while loop, do while loop, or for loop also. It can be used in all three types of loops. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.